Look who is in Miami for the first time. I mean, I just happened to see her on the street the same way Kamala just happened to talk to Obama. But Tigress, so far, you haven't been here long. What do you think of Miami?
Well, it's a city.
It's a city.
It's a city, vibrant.
But you've been to many cities,
Yeah.
50 countries and counting.
No, sorry. You raise your hand up when you're recording for it to be nice.
Oh, see? This is
That's all.
going in. We
Yeah.
ain't doing no editing on this. Okay, thank you. I should have let you hold it. But it's a city. Is it
Yeah.
a city? Have you seen a city like this before? Is there anywhere in the Caribbean or in Africa that's like this?
Well, kind of. Europe, it's like a combination of Europe, and then with the art, it's also like some art places. So it's like, it's really not something very new to me.
Okay. What
Yeah.
about the people being half naked? That's what I was really trying to get to.
People
Because you're
being,
on.
of course, okay, like this is Miami, but I've seen that too.
You've seen it too. Okay, what
Yes.
city? Because some people are looking for the half-naked cities, and you know they want to go to those.
Or the beach, they should go to like Amsterdam, not The Hague, Den Haag, The Hague, and lots of nude beaches in Europe.
Ah,
So many.
okay.
Even
Okay.
in South Africa, they have one at Sandy Bay.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah.
But you know what? When people go to nude beaches, they think they're gonna see something.
No, you don't see nothing, and there's nobody even recording, and there's nobody bothering you. You don't see nothing. People are just sunbathing, and you just mind your business. They mind their business. That's it.
And what I've heard is the people don't look like you think they're gonna look. Like it's not like your models are there. It's old people.
no. Oh yes. Mostly older.
Mm.
Caucasian men. No, like it's true. Like yeah, that's what I noticed.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, and so in this city, is it any more shallow than some of those places? Like when you go do see, the beautiful people, do you think the people here are confident? Are they shallow? Are they?
Oh, like I think people are confident. Like, oh my goodness, like the way. Okay, let me tell you this. Telling you this, the way some people dress. And there's nothing like insecurity here. Everybody's just confident. They don't care how they look. They look how they want.
Okay.
like confidence levels 1,000 out of 100. Like you'll be like, I wouldn't walk like that, But yeah, confidence levels 1,000 out of 100.
And let me tell the people, African Tigress is such a dear friend. Like I know you send me emails and we try to do the brand deals and all that, but African Tigress is, I can't even call her a client, because when she treated us in Kenya, and the way, like, her sister is my lawyer in Kenya. Her other sister would have been my PR person if she didn't move. I don't want to know what your mother does almost, or your other siblings, because we might have to hire them too, because I mean the whole family is just a delight, and I really appreciate you and I thank you. So Keribu, Miami.
Thank
I know
you're the first person. You're the first. Okay, apart from some people that I met maybe in the streets or the airport who recognize me, you're the first person. I didn't call anybody. When I got to Miami, I just said I have to let you know. I wanted to keep it on the low, like I'm not making videos, I'm not vlogging. So I was like just keeping it on the low, but I said I cannot come here. I know you in Miami. I cannot come here and not tell you. So that's why I was like, okay, let me call Kellen so you at least know I was in Miami. Because if I told you I was in Miami and didn't come,
because we've talked about this. We've talked about this for years.
Because even when I was in the Bahamas, you were like, you should have told me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when you came,
Yeah.
I said, I'm coming. I said, I had to pick the right time, but I said, I'll be there, I know, in 24 hours. And my wife was like, you're leaving at 4 a.m.? Because I don't live in Miami proper. People listening was like, Kellen doesn't live in Miami proper. But I said, even if I have to sleep in my car to avoid the traffic to get to South Beach, I'm going to link up with Tigress, even though we have a short time. Because you're out here shopping and doing big things. I'm allergic to shopping.
I noticed. Is that why you disappeared when I was
Well, I thought you were going to have an issue, so I was there for support. And then when I heard that you were talking with a friend and you're shopping even for other people, big money. That's big money YouTube. You know, people made videos about your money on YouTube, and I know you commented saying African Tigress is here. That one video, I think.
There's someone saying how much I make. I was like, okay, I see what he said, but I'm not gonna say it.
Of course.
But I'm not making too much. I'm not making too much. Just enough.
Well, it's nobody's business, you know. It's no. Are they paying for tickets? If they're not paying for tickets, it's no one's business.
Crazy expensive. See, I'm in Miami. I'm not there making videos.
Yeah.
See? But I'll come back. When I'll come back again, that's when I'm going to like really do real content. Real Miami content.
How's it?
Hello.
All right. Well, you guys, I was just taking a little bit of a time. We're off so she can keep her shopping going. I'm going to see if I can bring her up to Palm Beach, if we can kidnap her.
What are we buying? Investing into the business. You see? I just actually came. I told you I only came to shop. Equipment, personal. There's some things I can't get in the Caribbean, so I can get my cameras, my gear, everything here. I wish they were in the Caribbean, I wouldn't have to come, but I'm happy because I met you.
Yes, you guys be blessed. Make sure you comment, like, and share. Most importantly, all that corny stuff that I don't even say, but I'm learning.
Hello everyone. Come along with London and Sydney as they show you around the vibrant country of Cameroon. Explore the heart of Africa through the eyes of London and Sydney. Two explorers who journey across the great city of Yaoundé, exploring its rich culture, vibrant market squares, cultural heritage, and wildlife. With giggles and excitement, London and Sydney Explore Cameroon takes you on a fun-filled adventure, providing insight into the country's culture and traditions through the pages of this book. It's packed with exciting stories and super cool facts about Cameroon that will make you go, wow. Get your copy now, available on Amazon and in libraries near you. There's only one easy way to experience the exploration of Cameroon, and it's through London and Sydney. Don't wait, get yours.